Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth in your iPhone if it keeps disconnecting after you have updated your iOS. There are just 3 simple steps with which you can solve your iPhone Bluetooth issues. So let's begin. First, go to the settings and scroll down till you find the screen time section. Now tap on content and privacy restrictions. If the content and privacy restrictions button is turned off, turn it on. Now, again, scroll down and tap on the Bluetooth sharing option and click on the Allow Changes. The second process is to check your device. Hold on the button of your device for 15 seconds and see if there is still any problem in your device. If you still find the problem, then let's move on to the third step. For third step, open the settings, tap on Bluetooth and tap on your device. I am tapping on AirPods icon. Now scroll down and you'll see the forget device option. Just tap on it and again reconnect your device to your iPhone. And doing this, it will surely help you fix your Bluetooth problem. And that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. For more such videos, keep watching the channel and thank you so much for being with us till the end. See you in the next video.